There is currently a problem on Instagram regarding followers and following lists on friends' accounts whereby some users are unable to see their friends' full following and followers lists. What's happening right now is that when you go to your following list and you select an account that follows you back, you'll notice that the number of people displayed in their following list is less than the number shown. For example, if it shows that the account is following 40 people, only about 5 appear in the list. The same applies to their followers list. The number visible in the list is less than the number of followers shown. I've also noticed that this mostly happens with accounts that follow only a few people, though some users might experience the same issue even when the following count is high. The main reason I'm making this video is to first of all let you know that this is a widespread issue as it is happening to most users, so you don't need to panic or wonder what's wrong with your account. I also believe this is just a glitch on Instagram servers because whenever a new version of an app like Instagram is being prepared, developers often make numerous code changes, add new features and modify existing functionalities. So these updates can unintentionally introduce bugs and technical errors can occur during the rollout process. That being said, here are some potential solutions, but before I dive into them, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so I can keep you updated on future changes. The first solution is to update the app whenever a new version is released, especially after glitches like this. So you need to go to your Play Store or App Store, then make sure that your Instagram app is updated. Another helpful step is to report the problem directly to Instagram. This alerts their team to the issue and they might provide updates or solutions. So to do this, log into your Instagram account, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner, then tap the three-line menu at the top right corner to open the settings. Under settings, scroll down and select help, then choose report a problem. So from there, follow the prompts and clearly explain the issue that you're facing. Finally, keep in mind that glitches like this are often temporary, so sometimes waiting a few hours or even a day allows Instagram to push out bug fixes and resolve the problem. So in the meantime, there is nothing much you can do except wait for Instagram to fix the issue. So thanks for watching. I'll keep you updated, so be sure to subscribe, like, and see you in the next one.